Hi there, hope you're doing good. So this is the part 3 and the final version of the file. So this is the instruction page. I just added this instruction page just to show you that, okay, you just need to press this button and let me do that for you. Once you do that, it will give you another file with an empty tab and with the name change me so that you can have a naming convention. So the second instruction, which is important, that please keep a fixed naming convention so that you can always have the in future when you are going to use and you can easily identify the tabs like November 29th maybe, or maybe 30th, 23, or 2020. So this will give you an easy to identify the tabs when you are future you are going to process the data. So this is how it goes. So again, you can once you are done with it, you can always click a new button, and what that will do is that will create another file with you for you with the name change me, and the tab will be empty so that you can use it. So on one click, you will have new file tab. You can use this file. You can save this file on your drive as well, so that you can use in future as well. Yep. The rest of the part of the functionality is already being discussed, and yep, it's good to go. I've added the 5 more matrices in it here so that you can plot maybe 15 stock or something. So looking forward to hear from you again soon. Take care. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.